See in 100 seconds. Calloc and realloc. Malloc gives you raw memory with whatever was there before. Calloc gives you clean memory. Every byte set to 0. 2 arguments. The number of elements and the size of each. 5 ints, all initialized to 0. Print them out and every value is 0. No garbage, no surprises. Realloc resizes an existing block. The original data stays, and you get more room at the end. The array grew from 5 to 8. Fill the new slots with 50, 60, 70. Print all 8. The first 5 are still 0. The last 3 have the new values. Free the block when done. Calloc for clean starts, realloc for growing. Both end with free. Zeros from calloc, new values from realloc. Dynamic memory that adapts. Next up, memory leak.